Auto snap! The Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato is more than just a car. It's a masterpiece that blends timeless British elegance with Italian flair. This new iteration of the Vanquish Zagato celebrates the long-standing partnership between Aston Martin and the legendary design house Zagato, marking a pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship. Every detail of this grand tourer screams exclusivity, from its limited production run to the bespoke touches that make it a true collector's dream. AMC, aged in cask bottles, has created a sense of style that, on account for its beautiful modern design, performance, and innovation. Under the hood, the Vanquish Zagato is powered by Aston Martin's 5.2-litre twin-turbocharged V212 engine, tuned to deliver a heart-pounding 700 horsepower. This allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just over 3 seconds, ensuring it's not just a pretty face, but a beast on the road. The driving dynamics are enhanced by an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering seamless gear changes and a perfect blend of performance and comfort. Adaptive suspension and precision engineering ensure the car handles like a dream, whether cruising on the open highway or carving through winding mountain roads. The exterior design of the Vanquish Zagato is nothing short of breathtaking. The signature Zagato double bubble roof, a nod to its racing heritage, adds a distinctive silhouette to the already sleek profile. The bodywork is crafted from carbon fiber, reducing weight while maintaining strength and durability. Every curve and contour has been meticulously sculpted to enhance aerodynamics, and the integrated rear spoiler and quad exhaust system not only improve performance, but add a touch of aggression to the design. Unique Zagato styling cues like the Z-shaped grille and taillight elements make it instantly recognizable even at a glance. Inside the Vanquish Zagato is a sanctuary of luxury and craftsmanship. Hand-stitched leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and brushed aluminium trim create an interior that's both modern and timeless. The attention to detail is impeccable, with bespoke options available for those who demand the ultimate in personalization. Advanced technology is seamlessly integrated into the cabin, featuring a state-of-the-art infotainment system, premium audio, and a digital driver display that provides all essential information at a glance. Comfort features, including customizable ambient lighting and climate control, ensure every journey is a pleasure. The exclusivity of the Vanquish Zagato is amplified by its limited production run. Aston Martin has confirmed that only a handful of units will be produced, with each one tailored to the specific preferences of its owner. This level of customization, combined with its rarity, ensures the Vanquish Zagato will remain a highly sought-out collector's item for years to come. The collaboration between Aston Martin and Zagato also adds a layer of historical significance, as these two icons of the automotive world come together once again to create something truly extraordinary. This car is not just about performance or luxury. It's about making a statement. Owning a vanquished Zagato is a symbol of discerning taste, a passion for automotive artistry, and a commitment to excellence. It bridges the gap between classic design and modern innovation, appealing to both traditionalists and forward thinkers. Aston Martin has managed to capture the essence of what makes driving an emotional and exhilarating experience, and they've done so with unparalleled style and sophistication. For those fortunate enough to secure one of these rare masterpieces, the Vanquished Zagato is more than a car. It's a piece of automotive history. Every journey behind the wheel becomes an event. Every detail a testament to the artistry and engineering that went into its creation. Aston Martin and Zagato have once again proven that when two legends collaborate, the results are nothing short of spectacular. With the Vanquish Zagato, the road to perfection has been paved in elegance, power, and exclusivity.